Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vagaro, a popular salon and spa management software. I've been using Vagaro for a few years now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my business. But I've also gotten a lot of questions from viewers about whether or not you have to pay to use Vagaro. So, in this video, I'm going to answer that question and give you a full overview of Vagaro's pricing plans. I'll also share my personal experience with Vagaro and tell you why I think it's a valuable investment for any salon or spa owner. So, let's get started. What is Vagaro? Before we get into the pricing, let's talk about what Vagaro is. Vagaro is a cloud-based salon and spa management software that helps you book appointments, manage your clients, and track your finances. It's a comprehensive solution that can help you streamline your operations and grow your business. How does Vagaro work? Vagaro works by giving you access to a variety of features that can help you manage your business. Here are a few of the key features. Online booking. Allow your clients to book appointments online 24/7. Client management. Track your clients' information, including their contact information, appointment history, and product preferences. Financial management. Track your income and expenses, and generate reports to see how your business is doing. Marketing. Send email and text messages to your clients to promote your services and specials. Point of sale. Process payments and track your sales. Vagaro pricing. Now let's talk about the pricing. Vagaro offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different businesses. The most basic plan is the free plan. This plan gives you access to basic features like online booking and client management. The next plan is the solo plan, which costs $29 per month. This plan gives you access to all of the features in the free plan, plus additional features like email and text marketing and point of sale. The next plan is the duo plan, which costs $49 per month. This plan gives you access to all of the features in the solo plan, plus additional features like team management and advanced reporting. The next plan is the team plan, which costs $99 per month. This plan gives you access to all of the features in the duo plan, plus additional features like unlimited users and custom branding. Finally, there is the enterprise plan, which is custom priced based on your business's needs. So, do you have to pay to use Vagaro? The answer is no, you don't have to pay to use Vagaro. You can use the free plan to get started. However, if you want to access all of the features that Vagaro has to offer, you will need to pay for a subscription. Is Vagaro worth the investment? I believe that Vagaro is a valuable investment for any salon or spa owner. It's a comprehensive solution that can help you streamline your operations and grow your business. I've been using Vagaro for a few years now, and I've found that it has saved me a lot of time and money. My personal experience with Vagaro. I've been using Vagaro for about 3 years now. I was originally using a different salon and spa management software, but I switched to Vagaro because I was looking for a more comprehensive solution. I've been very happy with my experience with Vagaro. It's a user-friendly platform that is easy to learn and use. I've also found that Vagaro has helped me to grow my business. I'm able to book more appointments, manage my clients more effectively, and track my finances more easily. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Vagaro's pricing plans. I hope this information helps you decide whether or not Vagaro is the right solution for your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.